Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at magiccurve.com, a site claiming to be the ultimate trendy destination for curve-friendly fashion. It sounds lovely, but is it a dream wardrobe or just a digital mirage? Let's dive in. First off, this domain was registered in December 2024, making it so new it still has that freshly minted scam smell. While being the new kid on the block isn't always a crime, a store with zero history doesn't exactly inspire the kind of confidence you need before handing over your credit card details. Moving on to the visuals, the clothes look stunning and professional, which is easy to achieve when you steal your photos from other websites. A quick reverse image search reveals these pictures are basically digital nomads, living on every site except this one. If they can't even pick up a camera to photograph their own stock, you have to wonder if the trendy clothes even exist in reality. Then there's the contact information, which is about as reliable as a weather forecast. The phone number is a copy-paste job from elsewhere, and the live chat is a digital graveyard where messages go to die. It gets even better when you look for the person in charge. They show a founder's photo, but surprise, surprise, that image is also stolen from another corner of the internet. Apparently, the owner is about as real as my gym motivation, providing zero transparency or authenticity. To top it off, the reviews on the site are suspiciously perfect. There isn't a single negative comment, yet Trustpilot and other platforms have absolutely no record of them. Unless their only customers are literal saints with zero expectations, those reviews are as fake as a $3 bill. In summary, we have a brand new domain, stolen images, ghost support, and a phantom founder. It's a full house of red flags, and the prize is losing your money. For now, it's much safer to stay away from magiccurve.com and stick to websites that actually exist in the physical world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you shop safely. If you found this useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest website checks. See you in the next one.